Since she does this, she seems to be 15 years younger. We have said it in many videos of ours, the face is the mirror of the soul. If you have a young face, you are young, so clear. It is very important to take care of your face, in addition to the whole body, but the face is the first thing you see. Today I present several masks. The fourth is the one that became our protagonist. Mask 1, Yogurt. The wrinkles speak of experience and maturity, but no one likes them. With this mask you soften them. Mix a glass of natural yogurt with a teaspoon of fennel seeds and another of the same crushed leaves of the same plant. The cream should be homogeneous when applied to your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes and remove with warm water. Repeat it day by day and your skin will thank you. Mask 2, Tomato. The tomato has varied effects on the skin, moisturizing, tensor and exfoliating. If you want those annoying granites and blackheads to disappear, chop a tomato in half and pass it on your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and remove with warm water. You will see the results. Mask 3, Lemon. Lemon is the fruit of 1,000 juices. Who would imagine that it also removes stains? Well, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with another one of lemon juice. Apply with a little cotton on the skin of the face and leave it for 20 minutes. Remove the mask with cotton wool and mineral water. Be careful to clean it well, as sun exposure of the skin with lemon causes stains. Mask 4, Strawberries. If you feel dry skin, use this magnificent natural cream to moisturize and nourish it. Grind several of strawberries and mix with honey. Apply this cream on your skin and leave it for 20 minutes. Remove it with cold water and feel as your beauty returns with new strength. Mask 5, Nourishing Cream. After exfoliating, it is best to apply a nourishing cream that stimulates your cells. Combine 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon mineral water, 1 teaspoon rose water and a tablespoon of yogurt or milk. Apply it on your face with a cotton ball and let it act for 15 minutes. Remove it with plenty of cold water and look at yourself in the mirror. You will surely notice changes. Helping your skin. Now you can choose the mask you prefer, but remember that your skin is a reflection of your health. To keep it soft and young, you should also